Welcome to a new dance tutorial. I'm Hallgrim and I'm a choreographer at FRIKAR. Now you will learn a dance choreography, a rhythmic dance choreography from Gander, which is a show that we are touring every summer. And if you are interested in experiencing it, there's a link down below. Gander is Old Norse for soul or spirit, and it refers to an ancient tradition of getting into trance and sending your soul into the nature or into other dimension in the shape of an animal, like a power animal. And to do that, dancing was one of the tools that they could use. So our performance, Gander, is inspired by that. During the pandemics, dance arts were prohibited. Along with archaeologists, I went for journeys to investigate why dancing had been so important in the north for 7,000 years. What we found was amazing rock carvings where rock artists have spent their whole summer to carve human figures of rhythmic dance and togetherness into the mountain. I believe togetherness has provided a safe zone and rhythmic dancing immense energy to enter this shape-shifting ecstasy in spiritual rituals. Here you can see rock carvings from the Bronze Age with human figures in circles and in rows. Sometimes they are doing rhythmic dance. And we also have rock carvings of like clean rhythmic patterns. Also in the Bronze Age, it seems that groove and bounce has been really important in the spiritual lives. Rhythm can give us a sense of togetherness without physical contact. This was really important after the pandemics, and that's why I created choreographies inspired by the Norwegian Hallgrim dancing and the Lebanese dabke, and also the rock carvings from the Stone Age and Bronze Age. Let's get into some dance technique. So the dance technique here starts with the rebnetaket, this one. And it is named after Endre Rebne, a great Hallgrim dancer from Valdres. He won the competition in May 1905 when the Swedish king had a Hallgrim kick competition in Oslo. Probably to really show for everybody that the Norwegian culture had a natural place in the union with Sweden. But 1 month later, Norway broke free. But so, I start with kicking my leg from behind and change it. Can you do that? Like this, yes. And then the next thing is that we have a lot of throw quality in our folk dancing in Norway, which means that I throw my leg and I let go of my hip and throw. And I relax the leg while it's turning around. Ho! Yes. So it's almost like this. Ho! Throw, 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 throw. Yeah? And but we add another beat on it, so it becomes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we got that. I can show it from behind. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. And some of us like to turn our body a little bit. Somebody does like this. But in the choreography, we do like that. But we start with pointing out the beat. So 1 and 2. We say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And the rhythm is like tampa ta ta ka tam ta ta. Tampa ta ta ka ta ta ta. Let's do it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, ta ka ta ta ta. From behind, 7, 8. 1 and 2, ta ka ta ta ta. So I have my weight on the right leg, right, left, left, right. Once more. Right, left, left, right. And then we are going to kick our hand like this, which we are doing a lot to enjoy the rhythmic feeling and outburst in the Halling dancing. It's kind of Scandinavia's flamenco, you know. So you can imagine that you have spoiled some lemonade on the floor and you didn't care to clean it too well and your socks are kind of sticky into it. Then we try to use our muscles to pull, and in one little moment we manage to release. Yes. You could also imagine twin gum under your shoes. So it becomes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. Yes? So after 4 we say 5. It's kind of a reaction on the bounce here. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. It's almost that I want to get rid of something on the floor. And in profile, so 6, 7, 8. So let's try once more. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. And from after this, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we change the legs here. We say 6, kick and change. And so here we have support and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Once more. With both legs, we say 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, like just walking, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when I kick on the 6, I start with my knee, and then I throw my calves in the end. So knee, calves. Yes. It's the same technique, I think, in Chinese Kung Fu and in Norwegian Halling dancing there. And if you would like to see how I choreographed Chinese Kung Fu monks without speaking Chinese, without interpreter, you could see this documentary. But now, let's try this together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, change 8. Okay, so that was the 2 first 8s. I will show it from behind. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now we are going to do the next 2 8s, starting almost like the first 2. The first 2 was like this. 1 and 2 and dum dum da. Dum 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 da ga dum dum da. The next 2 8 starts. Dum da 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 ga dum da. Dum dum da da ga da da. So your weight on the right leg. Dum and left. Da da ga dum bum ba. From the back side. 1 and 2, da dum bum ba. And the rest of the 8 is like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we do rebnetaket, this one. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there we reverse, almost like but we just do it for one beat. That it means 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I keep my weight on the right leg. After you have gathered your energy here, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6, 7, 8. So we stand on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right. Kick. 7, 8. And let's do it from behind. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, taka tam pam pa, bam pa. Yeah. And with clean counting in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so it's pretty advanced, this one. But now let's try it all together. And important also to keep dynamic differences. If you are kicking, we are having resistance. The key resistance and kick. Yeah, resistance and release. Yes. Okay. Let's do it together then. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. The emphasis on marking the offbeat in this choreography is taken from Lebanese dabke. It's nothing that we use a lot in Norwegian folk dancing. And in the performance, we do it as a line dance, which is inspired by the dabke and also the rock carvings from the Stone Age. In Gander, the music is composed by Terje Isungset for this piece, and we wanted the jaw harp to be the main instrument. And this is the jaw harp. If you would like more tutorials from FRIKAR, please let us know what kind of tutorials you would like to. And thank you for following us on YouTube and Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. I hope you have fun dancing this choreography, and if you dance it long enough, you might just find yourself in a trance. Or, as we say in FRIKAR, free yourself.